Hey everyone, this is your favorite tax time guy, Alexi Kaplan CPA with A Kaplan CPA PC, where your financial freedom matters. Happy holidays to everyone that celebrated Passover and Easter. I hope that all of you had a great time. On top of all of the holidays, obviously there was a spring break, so I hope that everybody had a chance to spend some time with their families, with their kids, get out, see the beautiful United States of America, or some islands that allow U.S. citizens to actually come into, and had a great time. Today's Monday, April 5th. I just wanted to make this short video with recent updates, in particular with the New York State treatment of unemployment benefits. The first $10,200 of unemployment benefits for the recipients with adjusted gross income of $150,000 and below. Well, initially, the IRS came out and said that they will not tax the first $10,200 of unemployment benefits for 2020. New York State historically has been doing the same thing as the IRS. They were in compliance with what the IRS regulations were on a federal level, and they implemented it on the state levels. However, starting with 2020, New York State decided to not follow the federal guidelines, and all the tax practitioners were awaiting the New York State to actually pass the law and exclude the first $10,200 of unemployment benefits and not tax them on New York State side of things. However, unfortunately, it is not the case, and they're still fully taxable on New York State level. All the tax preparation softwares have been updated over this weekend, and now we could essentially file all of the tax returns that's been placed on hold because of us waiting for the further guidance from New York State on how they want to treat the unemployment benefits. So the bad news is that they're still taxable. The good news is that we could now file your federal returns and New York State returns if you have New York State unemployment benefits. The other thing I wanted to mention is that New York State, and amongst IRS, but New York State in particular, has been a lot more aggressive this year in terms of collections, and they are essentially going back to 2018, 19, and obviously 20 tax returns, tax years, to see if any credits were overpaid because of certain glitches that they had in their system back in the day. In particular, what I've noticed recently is that solar credits for solar powered energy, if you installed solar panels on your properties in 2018, especially in 18, they had some glitch in their system that essentially carried forward the credits for that exceed $5,000 to New York State into the future years, and taxpayers received the additional tax incentives and credits in 2019 and 20. Now they realize there was a glitch, and they're going back and they're taking that money back, and people unfortunately will have to repay that money back to New York State, and unfortunately there's nothing you can do about it. You have to do this, and it was incorrect part. It was a mistake on the part of New York State, but they gave you the money to use for the next few years, and now they want it back with interest. In either case, that's it for today, April 5th. We have additional time to file all your individual tax returns until May 17th. In my practice, we're trying to meet the April 15th deadline across the border, and then whoever is really procrastinating, we may allow them to file by May 17th. And that's only to do with individual tax returns, not trust and estate tax returns, not C corporation returns. They're still due on April 15th. Also, all your first estimated tax payments on the federal and state levels are still due on April 15th. And if you anticipate owing, or you usually make estimated tax payments, make sure you do them by April 15th. For everything else, feel free to contact my office, 718-577-2582. Schedule your meeting with me to discuss your particular situation and see how I could be possibly of service to you. Enjoy this beautiful day. Welcome back from your vacation. And for everything else, give us a call, 718-577-2582. This was your favorite tax time guy, Alexi Kaplan CPA with A Kaplan CPA PC. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Bye-bye.